Hello, Gear Up family. This is Daryl Andrews, Coach D, the virtual motivator. It is truly an honor to be a sponsor of the capacity building workshop for the Gear Up programs in NCCEP. Over the last 15 years, I've been able to interact with over 125 Gear Up programs, providing events for parents, events for students, as well as events for administrators, educators, and Gear Up staff. I'm the author of several books, including Believing the Hype, 7 Keys to Motivating Students of Color, The Purpose Living Teen, A Teen's Guide to Living Your Dreams, and The Parent's Coach, Developing a Family Dream Team. We look forward to the possibility of working with many of you again. Please keep in mind we offer programs throughout the year, as well as summer workshops. A more popular summer workshop is a workshop entitled The Passion Mapping Process, Connecting Dreams to Careers. And that can be conducted over a 1-hour workshop or a 2-day workshop, depending on the magnitude of your programs. So once again, please visit us at the Capacity Building Workshop virtually. And if you'd like to meet, schedule a time to meet on our page at the workshop. And we will certainly love to interact with you. We'll be actively involved with the conference. So at any time throughout the conference you would like to meet and have a conversation, we'd love to discuss how we could possibly be of help. Thank you. Take care.